Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got a new American Girl doll dog. I've never got one of these before. I got it from Amazon. Just came. So let's open it up. I don't have my scissors right now, so I'm gonna use a pen. So cool. And it's one of the new ones. So it has a magnet to it. So open it up. Gosh. Oh. Well, if you didn't know, this is the dog I got. So it's in another box. Okay. We're gonna just take that off right now, just like this. You guys didn't know, I love American Girl doll stuff, and I've been wanting a dog, so I bought it. So fluffy. So the bone attach and detach. So bone, look at, ready? It attached, and there's a leash. The leash can come off just like this. So then it comes with a bed. So Fluffy can do it this side or this side. That's all it comes with. You can take this off if you want. You can walk your dog. So if you saw in a few videos before, I have a dog named Shiny. Shiny! Let's see how she reacts to this.